Namaskar, Ashish Mittal again from Arson. One more design in teak wood, white paint with golden highlighting, and again a royal concept bed that you see here. When we talk about royal units, how do we define royal thing? See, royalty is generally associated with a couple of things. Something that is grand, huge, and with gold, and something that looks real heavy kind of stuff. This thing, if you see, is heavy, has a hint of gold, a lot of gold carving, and is in teak wood. Apart from that, the work is beautiful that you see here. The paint is white base with golden highlighting, and highlighting is quite heavy as you see here. And this is a blend of classical work, the Victorian work, with a contemporary theme, as you see heavy quilted back here. The back height is 6.5 feet. So it's a huge unit, a big unit, and it's in king size. So the mattress area remains the same, 72 by 78 inches mattress area. The front is 30 inches high, 2.5 feet high, and it also has a quilting similar to the back design that we have here. When your concept of a bedroom is quite big, you have a big bedroom and you keep small beds like a 4 feet high back bed, they'll tend to look very small as compared to a big room. We recently delivered a unit to Pondicherry, and similar thing happened. Client selected something with a 5 feet back height, but with the huge room that she have, the high ceiling, the unit looked smaller, though the size is standard, but the with the concept it was not going. So she wanted a big back. Accordingly, if you see this one, this is 6.5 feet high. So very good for when we have big concept designs, big concept rooms. The work and the workmanship that you see here is again amazing, and the handcrafting that we have, the classical art of our city, Saharanpur. All the work that you see here, it is wood. This is not MDF or moldings that are pasted on the wood. Everything that you see here, the back and the sides, everything is teak wood. This top part, this is ply because wood doesn't come in that big pieces. So for flat surfaces, we use ply on the top. The base wood for this unit is 2 inches. It's a heavy bed. Generally, the beds that you have in the market are 1 inches or maximum 1.5 inches base wood. And 90% of them are in MDF or ply with pasting over the ply. But this is actual teak wood with 2 inches base. And then with the carving, the heavy work is up to 6 inches, 7 inches somewhere, a few places. The heavy designing that we have on the bed, similar to that, we have very artistic side tables. This is 21 by 15 and the height is 22 inches. The nicer the work is, the beautiful the design is looking, the hard work that is behind all this final output you see here, you can see in the work itself. We do not use CNC machines, we do not use molds, we do not use any pressing that make a mold and then place on the design. These are all done by hand. Every carving, every design is done by the artists. They are artisans who make this. Then final output comes like this. Then it has to be polished, painted, and then quilted. Every work, then the carpenter work of fitting that is done. And most of the work is done by small tools, by hands only. We don't have CNC machines or big robotics. Such kind of artwork, when you think of it, the first thing that comes to the mind is about the Italian furniture. Then Turkey and Egypt, these countries, and yes, sometimes China also, because they copy very well. So they have some designs like these. But the quality Arson is producing, in fact, crafting, you can match this quality with any country and you will find out us at par, and in some cases better than what they are supplying. And thus we are getting so many orders, so much love, so much blessing from across the globe. This one is going to Kerala, and we have been sending stuff everywhere. We have sent to Oman, to Ghana, US multiple times, Australia, New Zealand, UK, Germany, and Netherlands, Switzerland, Japan. I'll have to think more names and tell you, because these countries we have already covered, we have already delivered. From small temple to whole household furniture, we have delivered already. You can visit our testimonial section on the website and you can see how much stuff has been delivered to different people. And when they are happy, they are sending pictures back to us with their nice comments. Also, I have more than 400 videos on YouTube where we have shown actual stuff that we have made. So there you can go and see the different colors, different fabrics, different color combinations, gold, silver, copper, rose gold, white, off-white, polished colors, walnut colors with shading, matte finish. Most of them are visible. And in detail, I have explained about everything in all the videos. So if you have any question, you can always contact us. You're more than welcome. And if you have any suggestions, any comments, I would be most happy to hear you. Request for a few comments of yours. Thank you so much.